In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the latest improvements to the data fetcher extension for Airtable. So the first improvement is that you can now try any paid plan free for 7 days. On the home screen of the extension, just click Start Free 7-Day Trial and then select the plan that you want to try. You'll need to add your credit card details, but you won't be charged anything until the 7 days are up. The next improvement we've added is that you can now create sections just like you can in Airtable automations or views. So we can add sections with a name and then move our saved requests into those sections and expand and collapse them. So this will help you organize if you've got lots of different saved requests in one base. The next thing we've added support for is GraphQL queries in the body. So previously you would have had to do this yourself using JSON, which got really fiddly at times. But now you can add queries, not using JSON, but just using GraphQL. You can then click this Beautify button in order to format it, add any query variables as JSON on the right hand side, and then run that request and it will be mapped to a GraphQL query. The next thing we've added support for is multi-select fields in the response field mapping. So I'm going to hit the Remotive API, which gives us back a list of remote jobs. And one of the fields it gives us is tags, which is comma separated. Now previously I needed to map this to a single line text field, but now I can actually use a multiple select field, and this will create the options on the field for us. The other thing we've got support for now is barcode fields. So we can map a number or text value in our response to a barcode field in our table. So when we run that, it's going to add the barcode values and the tags on the right hand side as a multiple select field. Now we can also use that barcode field as the update based on field. And another option that we've added in this version of the app is the ability to turn on and off creating leftover records. So previously we'd always create any records that weren't found when we updated. So if we run this request now, it would update these ones and then create the leftover ones. If we turn this off, we'll now see that it just runs and updates these values on the right hand side, which won't actually change because it's just static data, but it didn't create the remaining 90 records below. So this is really useful if you just want to update the records in your table without creating any other ones that you don't care about.